So let's get started. This is for William Paterson, Piano 2. So for January 21st, we have the same thing for January 26th. You're still doing the etude, you're still doing that. I don't need to do that. You can refer to the first lesson. Topsy-turvy, we did that. Plus we do it in class. So the only thing I'm going to do now is the scales. So you have D flat major, the scale, chords. I think that was cut off last time. So this time you should have it. So we're looking on page 4 of the scale sheet. And we're going to do, I think we're just doing D flat major. Let me see. Oh no, and C sharp minor. So let's look at the whole thing from measure 141 down to the bottom of the page. You'll be responsible for all of that. So the D flat scale is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 5 flats. And your thumb is on F and C. So it's 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb on C and 2. And it doesn't matter how many octaves you play. It's all the same fingerings coming in. It's all the same exact fingerings. So it's very simple. It's a good feeling scale. The left hand is 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you cross over and you do the next octave. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when you play these scales with hands together, 2, 3, thumbs go on F. Thumbs go on C. And it's just thumbs, thumbs. And you'll notice when the right hand's playing 2, 3, 4, the left hand's playing 4, 3, 2. It's just that mirror image thing that I keep referring to. So you had that last week. You should actually know that now. The D flat arpeggio is 4, 1, 2. D flat is 4. F is 1. 2 is A flat. So it's 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Backwards, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. The left hand's the exact opposite. It's 2, 1, 4 instead of 4, 1, 2. So 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4. If you look at the very last measure on the bottom of the page, that's a C sharp minor arpeggio. You're in 4 sharps. Same exact thing. Instead of 4, 1, 2, 4, now it's C sharp minor arpeggio. Same fingerings. So once you play measure 145, it's the same as the last measure on the page, just that you are flatting the third. So major, minor. You have 3 chords there, major, 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 and they're inversions. The fingerings, D flat major, we're now in measure 147, 147, D flat major. First inversion is 1, 2, 5. Second inversion is 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 5. All you're doing is taking the bottom note and putting it on top. Bottom note, putting it on top. Left hand, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 2, 1. When you play these hands together and you play in root position, it's the same fingers, 1, 3, 5. But when you play first inversion, 2 is in the middle on the right hand, 3 is in the middle. If you don't know these fingerings, go back to page 1, measure 7. The fingerings are there. You should have learned that in piano 1. And then the last inversion is right hand's 1, 3, 5, left hand's 5, 2, 1. And that'll get you there. Now we're on measure 148. We'll go through all the chords. D flat major is the first, third, and fifth note of the scale. D flat minor, you flat the F to F flat. D flat diminished, you lower the third and the fifth. D flat augmented, you raise the fifth. The symbols for minor are small m, M-I-N, or a dash. Symbol for diminished is circle, or D-I-M, and augmented is a plus, or A-U-G. Now we go to D flat 6. That's measure 150. Then a D minor 6, you just flat the third. Then D flat major major 7. Then D flat 7, you really lower the 7. D flat major 7 means you're adding the 7th note of the major scale. 7 means you flat it. Minor 7, you always flat the 3rd. And then D flat minor 7 flat 5, or a half diminished 7 chord. And finally B flat on top gives you a full D flat diminished 7. Actually it says D flat diminished, it should say D flat diminished 7. C sharp minor, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. Don't forget to raise the 7. In piano 2, we raised the 7. So you'll see C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, but the B, so you raise the 7. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you keep going and you do 2 octaves. Left hand is 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 1, 4. Get used to that. 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 1, 3. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. And the same thing up. Make sure when you play your scales, slap the keys. And just get them faster and faster as the semester comes to an end. I think that's all we're doing right now. We're not starting nope, that's it. So for January 26th, which is your second week, the same topsy-turvy, the same etude, and page 63 in the Harima book. Okay. Oh, we already did that too. That's the canon. We did page 63 in the Harima book. You'll do that again, and we'll finish it. So it's just really adding for January 28th is this whole D flat suite of D flat major, C sharp minor, and that's it.